Morning everyone, welcome to another foraging expedition by Wild and Bee. Just to say thanks to everyone for watching the last few videos. It's really encouraging to see so many people are getting a lot out of them. So today we're going to be talking about crab apples. They may be small, but they carry a big story. Often overlooked, yet the wild ancestors from every apple we eat today. Been around since the Stone Age. They're evidence that people used to forage them thousands of years ago, prized for making cider and vinegar. They're used in herbal remedies to aid digestion and inflammation. Not as sweet as cultivated apples, but they are very useful. In English folklore, they were linked to love and fertility. Young people tossed the seeds into the fire. If the seeds popped or hissed, they knew that their love would last. So the tree itself can live for centuries. Their high pectin content makes them ideal for jams. We also make chutney, and you can make cider and vinegar from them as well. They play an important role in the ecosystem. Their blossoms provide nectar and pollen for bees. In the autumn time, their food provides the birds and other wildlife, insects and things. Crab apple reminds us that even the smallest fruit has a great meaning. Next time you spot one, just take a moment to appreciate its history and the role in nature it takes, and obviously in the kitchen. So today we'll be going out and we'll be showing you a few different types of crab apples, because there is many. This is just one of them. We'll go and take a look at a few more different trees now, so you can get an idea of the diversity of the crab apples themselves. So hi, we're at another location now with a different type of crab apple. As you can see, these are a lot bigger than the last ones we looked at. I'll take a couple off so you can get a general idea of the size. The red is what gives the apple the jellies and the chutneys their unique colour. So while we're out and about, foraging about, we've noticed there's feeding signs here of red squirrels. You can see where they've taken one of the cones and stripped it down to taken all the nuts out of it. This is quite a good sign that these are new and fresh as well. So it's a good thing that they're still about. Okay, we're at another location now with a different type of crab apple. As you can see, this one is such a lovely red. So you can see in such a small time we've managed to forage 3 different types of crab apple. We've got the little tiny ones, which really are small. Then we've got the more traditional ones, lovely colour. And then we've got a really unique dark red one. These make a fantastic crab apple preserve. You can see the colour actually comes out in the preserve itself. These ones will make a really nice dark one. So it is worth pointing out as well that the crab apples need cooking before you eat them. If you do eat them, they are quite sour in taste. So that's the end of our session for today on crab apples. The next one we'll be doing will be sloes. Just to say a big thank you again to everyone that has subscribed and put some good feedback back. It's worth noting, if you'd like to come and have a look at the full range of products that we do, we're in Holy Trinity Church the first Saturday of every month, along with a lot of other artisan markets makers.